or run a block up at the very top and pull the collar up and then pull it back down from this point here. So it's going to be tricky. What does happen in the process, there's so many ropes and they're so close together, Bob, that as we're cleaning one rope, you know, the rope, it comes out real nice and neat and clean. But then as we go to the next rope, some of that crud comes off and it catches on the lube, falls or against or next to the lube on the next rope, and it ends up being a little bit on the dirty side. What we do know though is we know that we've got a good clean rope underneath that, and we've got a full groove of lube all the way around the rope. We've filled it with brand new lube, Dynagard. So we're on it right now. Just setting up, building pressure up the diesel. Get ready to head up. They cut me off. Ropes are so close together. And the ropes are bunched so close that you can't normally put a collar on there and have it survive without, you know, altering it somehow. So that's what we've done.
Right on.
Yeah. Let's go on down.
Right. Let's go.
Unit up here, our air supply unit up here. So in essence, we got about 300 foot of hose.
You're not really running low. This is the compressor right here?
No, this is just a staging unit. We have a 100 CFM compressor on the deck, 300 foot away from this unit. So we get 120 PSI worth of air into here. It's a 7-gallon holding tank. And then we use that for our pump air and also our power air for the
and you're not having any pressure drop whatsoever?
No, we don't have any problems.
That much distance. But it's probably because the wire rope's traveling so slow.
Actually, we have plenty of air. I think that the compressor coupled with this 7-gallon unit here supplies us, it keeps enough air up.
This is like a booster then.
It's almost like I'm missing the words, but a holding tank, basically, is what it is.
Okay.
And actually, there are some areas that are better than others. We found 5 ropes, and I don't know why they were so much more dirty than the other ropes, but there was 5 ropes on the inside of one of the shivs on the other end that were just caked with mud. Must have been an 1/8 inch thick on the outside.
Well, Michael's got me up here 1,000 feet above the water. I've got it. I'm okay.
You got it? All right. You got a beautiful view of Long Beach off in this direction here. And then, of course, our surroundings. You got the Wilmington, Carson area out in the distance there you're looking at. And then we're just surrounded by container cranes and water access. Wow. Long Beach and the LA Harbor. There's Gatorade, water, and Dr. Pepper here if you like.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Of course, the lube hose is full. How long does it usually? How long did it take it for it to get up through that lube hose up to the collar?
Fill that 50-footer?
Yeah.
I don't remember exactly. Maybe about a minute. A couple minutes at the most.
A minute.
That spreader for a big guy.
Got it.
We got it.
Give me some more.
So Nicholas.
got the new ruler down there with you?
Yeah, I got it in my pocket.
All right.
That's good, Kenny. That's good. Now we want to keep that around 5.5, 6, 5.5, 6, something like that. When we start rolling.
dirty.
Yeah, we get all the flack from the road. You can't control it. It's like you're plowing a field down here now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's 50 plus years coming off.
We don't have to do much more than this.
Side also, we got about the same amount. You can barely see what's over on that canvas there. Then I'll go down and I'll bucket that back up. Let me get Kenny tagged up here. This is one run. We've been making 2 passes with these cleaners and then we switch them out. We get a new one every 2 ropes.
And how many feet do you think?
We're running about 100, a little over 100 feet, I think. Maybe 110 feet of rope.
I'm surprised you had to replace some nets.
We don't. We just have plenty of them. We're doing it.
Okay.
We actually started, Bob. We started on the first corner. We ran probably 1 groover. We did all 6 or 7 ropes, and then I just decided because the dirt, it was getting so dry. I just figured no sense in I didn't want to do them again. Didn't want to do them twice, so we'll just switch them out every 2 ropes.
Okay.
But they are holding up very well. I haven't seen one destroyed yet.
Save one. Please last. Back off.
Yeah.
That's good.